Evolution of washing machine 1800 to 2000. In the 1800s, most modern homes had a copper metal container used to wash clothes. This device was used to heat water and soap powders were added. Clothes were moved in the bin using various mechanical devices. See photos of a dolly on this page. In the final stage, a wringer would squeeze out the bulk of the water. The first washing machines emerged in the late 1800s, but the 1900s saw significant improvements and widespread adoption. In the early 1900s, the Hamilton-Smith Company introduced the first electric washing machine, making it more accessible and convenient for households. However, these early machines were still quite basic and labor-intensive, requiring users to agitate and wring out clothes by hand. It wasn't until the mid-1900s that washing machines became more automated and affordable, revolutionizing household chores and changing the way people did laundry forever. Washing machines in the 2000s featured significant advancements in technology and energy efficiency. Many models introduced innovations like digital inverter motors, eco-friendly wash cycles, and various washing capacities. Brands like Samsung launched several models with improved features, such as fully automatic top-load systems and eco-bubble technology, enhancing cleaning performance and ease of use.